Om Swastiastu. Hello, Mr. Harry and all of my friends. On this occasion, I will share 3, 2, 1 reflection, especially reflection for first until age meeting. On 3, 2, 1 reflection, I will share 3 things I learned, 2 things I plan to implement, and 1 thing that I need to improve. But the first is about 3 things I learned. Actually, on this subject, I learned a lot of things. On this research method quantitative subject, I learned about many things. For the first, I have learned about how to be an independent and how to be collaborative at the same time. I have learned to be an independent, start from making a decision, making a deal, and focus on self-love, because on this subject, I feel a little bit struggle with several parts. And then I have to solve by myself, and then I tried my best to solve it. And then I learned to be collaborative, try to actively participate on the sharing section, on the discussion, or etc. And the second, I have learned about the differences between research method, quantitative and qualitative in detail. Before I got this subject, I really confused about what is the differences between both of them. And then I have learned in detail about research method quantitative. I have learned about how to make an appropriate research proposal in quantitative, start from how to choose a great research topic, and then how to make a great background on the research proposal, and then how to make the appropriate research question, how to identifying the subject, and also the significances. And then beside that, I already learned about how to make literature review, elaborate the theoretical and also empirical review in a right way. And then for the third, I have learned about supporting tools that I could use to help my research. For example, the use of Mendeley or Publish or Paris. That is really helped me to conduct my research. And then about 2 things I plan to implement. For the first, I plan to implement the use of useful tools that I have learned. I will use in every subject that is necessary, because I think it's kind of hard to do manually. And then for the second, I plan to implement quantitative research method that I have learned on this subject. For example, like I will use quantitative research method on my proposal, on my final project or scriptsy. Okay, for the last is 1 thing that I need to improve. Okay, for 1 thing that I need to improve is how to make a great paragraph. Because on the research background, on my proposal, and then on my literature review, a little bit difficult to develop the words and the sentences. It seems like my work is not clear enough, and then I think it's many, incorrect word choices. I need to improve my writing skills. Okay, that's all about my reflection. I'm so sorry if there are any error or mispronounced word. Thank you so much for watching. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you. Bye.